I am not stirring the butter right now because it said to stir associate, and so I think that it means that so it can melt the butter while I am waiting.
Oh, it says stir occasionally. Yes, you are absolutely right. Doesn't mean to keep stirring it the whole time.
No, it means to stop, in and out, in and out.
All right. So while it's heating, we are going to measure out 3 cups of oats. And this one we have almost out. Julia's had oatmeal today, so that one's almost gone. So we'll pour that one in. Finish that one out. Then we have a brand new one.
This is not a cup yet.
Sure isn't.
Need to get more.
So then she's gonna get more. Yep, go that way. Yeah.
I'm going to pour it in because if I don't pour, then some of the oats that were from this bottle are going to spill out, and I'll end up with the same thing I had before.
And once you have one, you can pour
Within
that in here. Yeah.
full
We'll save that.
1 cup. I have to make sure it's level so I don't get too much oats, but I don't get too less oats.
Yeah.
If I level it out, I know how much I'm getting. And the third.
I think you put a little bit more too in there.
Okay. A little bit more.
Just to compensate for the. There we go.
That much.
Okay, yeah, perfect.
I'm putting this much in there.
All right. Now, what's next? What does it say?
Next, we need to add the peanut butter.
Okay, now do we add the peanut butter to the oil, or do you add the peanut butter to the mixture?
Yes, we add
the oats and the peanut butter.
the vanilla, and salt, and stir to combine.
Okay, so we're going to take it over to the stove. So you may take your bowl of oats first. And I'm going to put this right here so everybody can see what. There you go. Okay, so while she's doing that, I'm going to stir it and she can pour that in. There you go. And then I'm going to let you stir
the oats with the chocolate. Just melted butter, cocoa powder, sugar, and milk.
How's that coming over there?
It's coming good. Whenever I'm finished getting all the oats in the mixture, I'm going to go over to...
I have for you peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
So,
while I stir...
You want me to do that, or do you want to put it in?
I'll put it in.
Okay, so I'll take this
She'll stir
out of your way.
And I'll pour in the peanut butter. Sticky.
Very good. Now we'll see what that mixture looks like inside of that. I think we have a dancer in the background. Okay. Next. We have only 2 things left. Vanilla. And I know everything's backwards because for some reason the camera's backwards, so just get used to looking. Instead of pure vanilla, it says Eyupu Alinav. Okay, it's at a large pinch of
salt.
Yes, so this is a pinch is kind of gonna go in your hand.
We don't want too much salt because then it'll make it too salty and it won't taste that good.
There we go. And then the last thing is what? How much?
Vanilla.
How much vanilla? Do you remember?
Um,
Let's go look at that. And then I'll get it ready for you.
we need 1 tablespoon.
Tablespoon or teaspoon?
1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon of vanilla?
Pure vanilla extract.
Okay. All right. That's a lot of vanilla, but I believe you.
So nice one.
Yes, 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla. That's a lot of vanilla. Okay, so here we go.
I'm gonna pour in the
I'll
vanilla.
let you pour it in when I get it all the way to 1 tablespoon.
I'm gonna pour in the vanilla into the
Mixture. Okay, we are nearing
We are going to mix
the
it.
end.
Going to mix the peanut butter, the
Yeah.
oats, the tablespoon of vanilla extract, and the salt,
I'm going to get all that peanut butter off of there because
and the chocolate.
that's part of the good stuff. So I'm going to use the good old spatula. Ooh, it's getting there. Look at that. Okay.
I have to hold on to the red thing so it doesn't spin around while I stir. Pat it. Pat it. Ah,
Okay. Did you burn yourself?
no, there's an ant.
Oh, sorry. Let's go rinse your hands off.
Okay.
Okay, now I think we're gonna get this
Dry
ready.
my hands.
Yeah, right here.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so now the mixture is pretty much ready to go. What we're gonna do now is get you a big spoon, which I think this is one of my big spoons, and a little spoon. So you're gonna have 2 spoons. I'm going to. Oh, here's a bigger one. So we're gonna put a little water. I'm not sure what you are. I'm going to put you in the background. Containing themselves. Okay. All right. You didn't burn yourself, did you?
No.
Okay. Here you go. Okay. We're going over to. I'm going to take a pot holder. I'll hold this. We're going over to the table because we now have to take our wax paper. Can you take the wax container? Here you go. There we go. Now here's the camera. Oh, you can get it?
Mm-hmm. Got it.
Forgot that.
See?
All right.
Okay.
Now we're at the fun part in the end. So what she's going to do?
I'm going to put this spoonfuls of this onto the paper. And we are not going to bake it because the butter holds it and it sticks together, and you put it in don't you put it in a hot thing or something?
You put it in the refrigerator.
You put it in the refrigerator.
Yeah, or the
And it
freezer.
hardens.
Yes. Yes. And then it takes about half an hour to get nice and hard. So what you're going to do is take your big spoon, like this, and take your small spoon
And
And-
scoop it off.
scoop it off. And then go to the next one. And let's see, there's the first one.
You
Good.
can't get it too small, but you can't get it too big.
Right, and you want to make nice little round cookies. Imagine that someone would pick it up later and eat it. There you go.
And sometimes you can use a little spoon to make them squish together because sometimes they can break apart. We did not use the little spoon to pick it off, and the big spoon to scoop it off because the little spoon wouldn't get enough for us to scoop it on the pan.
Now, don't worry about not having enough space because we're going to make another batch too. Because that apparently makes quite a few.
Yeah.
Watch where it's going. Because you want all that yummy chocolate to go in your belly.
And just in case you were wondering, we decided that we were only going to make one batch of these. But it looks like it was to make 1.5 batches. Or 2.
Alright, so while I take those and put those in the refrigerator, and I'm actually going to speed it up in the freezer, she's going to start another one. And let's try making a small batch with this since it's smaller. So let's take the big spoon.
We are now using a smaller spoon, and that gives us a lot of space to put ours. Auntie, could you please take this big spoon off?
Yeah. You want me to take the big wooden spoon?
Yeah.
I can do that. And Julius, can you put away these dishes so that we can put away our dishes so we can wash our dishes, have somewhere to put our dishes. Those are clean in the dishwasher.
We don't have enough room on the outside, so I'm going to put one in the middle.
That works. Do you want me to get another small container for the last little bit?
Yes.
Okay. We are.
I got a little bit of cookie on your mitten, or whatever it's called.
So let's show them what I did. Took them to the fridge, and the first batch we put inside, and the second batch we're going to also put inside. Okay. Let's see. Let's get you one more container. Yeah, we're going to speed this up by putting it in the freezer. Okay, we need one more little container, right?
Mm-hmm.
So how about this? We'll just take this little tiny cutting board.
Got a little wax paper on it.
Yeah.
You don't need much for this one. I'm scooping it all into one place so I get all of it whenever I scoop it up to put it on the platter. We have made this one,
That's the fourth one?
a little tiny one.
1, 2,
Our last one is going to be stuff, and we are finished.
And we're finished. All right. So the last one goes into the fridge, and then we will come back with a little taste test. All right. So you can stop.